Everybody is looking for a delicious way to kickstart their day. Imagine waking up to the refreshing taste of a strawberry banana smoothie. It's not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your morning. This strawberry banana smoothie is perfect for those looking for a nutritious and guilt-free breakfast or snack. It's a delightful blend of sweet strawberries and creamy bananas, creating a flavor combination that's hard to resist. It's packed with essential vitamins, fiber, and protein, keeping you feeling full and energized throughout your day. The addition of chia seeds adds a boost of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain health. This smoothie is incredibly easy to make and takes only a few minutes from start to finish. Just gather your ingredients, blend them together, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy option. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or just starting your health journey, this recipe is a fantastic addition to your routine. It's versatile too. You can customize it by adding your favorite superfoods or protein powders to suit your dietary needs. Get ready to experience a burst of flavor and nutrition in every sip. The freshness of the strawberries combined with the natural sweetness of the bananas makes this smoothie a treat for your taste buds. Let's dive into this guilt-free recipe that will make your mornings brighter and healthier. With just a few ingredients and a blender, you can create a delicious and healthy smoothie that will keep you satisfied and energized all day long. To create this delightful strawberry banana smoothie, you'll need a few simple ingredients. 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1 ripe banana sliced and frozen, half a cup unsweetened almond milk, and a 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt. These ingredients are easy to find at your local grocery store and can be kept on hand for whenever you need a quick and healthy meal or snack. Each ingredient in this smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients that contribute to your overall health and well-being. By combining these fresh and wholesome ingredients, you create a delicious and nutritious drink that fuels your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cell damage. Including strawberries in your diet can help you maintain a healthy immune system and keep your skin glowing. Bananas are rich in potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. They also provide a quick source of energy, making them perfect for a pre-workout snack. Almond milk is low in calories and a good source of vitamin E, another potent antioxidant. It's a great dairy-free alternative that supports skin health and overall wellness. Greek yogurt adds a boost of protein and calcium, essential for strong bones and muscles. It also contains probiotics, which promote a healthy gut and improve digestion. Adding Greek yogurt to your smoothie makes it creamy and satisfying. This strawberry banana smoothie is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for weight loss. The fiber content in the fruits and yogurt helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. The protein from the Greek yogurt helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and unhealthy snacking. This smoothie is naturally sweet from the fruits, eliminating the need for added sugar. This smoothie has approximately 250 calories, making it a perfect breakfast or snack option. Enjoy it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism or as a post-workout recovery drink. The combination of strawberries and bananas provides essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, which are great for your overall health. Try this recipe and tell us what you think. Share your experience in the comments below and let us know your favorite smoothie combinations. For more delicious and healthy recipes, including smoothies, salads, and more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. We post new recipes every week to help you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big results. Start with this smoothie and see the difference it makes.